clients who are making their decisions within the next 12 months changing the way that they're making decisions? And how does the current evolution of technology make a difference to that? So what are your thoughts on AI and
I think it's a very interesting point, I think, for our business in time. What I mean by that is there is a lot of pressure we see right now from the market to be faster in transitions. So we see a lot of movement from 2-3 years back. It was majority greenfield implementations. Now it's getting more and more brownfield. The reason is time to market. The reason is it has to be faster. There's a cost pressure. And why all of this? Because of course it's the readiness for AI solutions. Because we talked since 2 years about AI and the efficiency we gain, and now there's huge pressure on really getting those efficiencies out of the system. It's really a turning point, I think, in our history.
And then in combination, of course, with everything to do with industries, it requires us to provide the right depth. So one of the things moving forward, I think that we are seeing is that for the aspect of industries and for the accelerated deployment or migration to the new world, we require our tools that can help our clients, whether that's in delivering incremental value to the clients or by accelerating their path to, for example, cloud.
So we also need to, and we started with that already years ago, but we need to package our industry knowledge, we need to package our business knowledge into scalable solutions, which we add to those autonomous approaches. So it means we have now platforms who are accelerating those transitions, and we have standard solutions on the other hand. So in the middle, we have to put our own knowledge, our own expertise as these kind of packaged solutions, which is consisting our industry knowledge and business knowledge.
And one of those solutions is our cloud approach to, let's say, the express or accelerated way to deploy into our clients, the innovations we've put in there together with the industry assets that we've put in. How are you seeing that being taken up by the network? Is it a priority? Would you classify it as one important aspect that we run in the network?
It's, I think, the blueprint for many other things to come in the future, but it's a very important one because Cloud Express or Cloud ERP becomes more and more important in the market, creates traction, and we have the right offering at the right time. And as you said, in this offering, we have done exactly what I was talking about before. We've built our industry knowledge and our assets into the approach. So as a client, if you take that, you're not just getting the standard solution, you're getting standard plus PwC value on top. So, and that for a very competitive price.
Yeah, and then combined strategically with our stronger ambitions now to be collaborating with SAP, cooperating on building solutions that will help the clients as we see them today and what they need in an industry perspective. I think that's what PwC stands for, and that's what we want to enhance more across the next 12 months and beyond, together with AI technologies from SAP, but also with our industry knowledge and our subject domain knowledge that we're providing. So those are going to be, I think, the important factors we will see in the next 12 months.
Yeah, that means, co-development is very important for us. It's not just building a closer relationship with SAP when it comes to their products. It's also at first-hand understanding what's important for SAP in order to build standard solutions, and also where we would need to add additional solutions, because there are certain industries which require our knowledge and our expertise. We always talked about this Sapphire about compliance and legal topics, etc. We should also talk about that. That's part of that, what I called our business knowledge, which is built into those solutions. And that's what we are learning way before a product is launched on the market. So we are able to already build that into our offerings before even the actual product gets to the market.
Exciting times. Thank you for joining us here, and we look forward to seeing more of our strategic plans over the next months.